My name is Jim Galm. I'm one of the two founders of LayerZero Power Systems. Toward the end of the 1990s, the market and industry for static switches was not that great. Melinda and I realized that the function of a switch is something that you really need and you want in a data center. And we knew that we could make one that really did give customers what they wanted. And so that's what we set out to do. And we didn't do it by iterating. We started from a clean sheet of paper and said, if we didn't know anything about transfer switches, how would we make the absolute best transfer switch that's ever been created? And that launched us into LayerZero. LayerZero's product is different than a competitor's product really in four main ways that I can think of. One is reliability, another is safety, then there's functionality and connectivity. Now those four are the pillars of what differentiates LayerZero's product.